Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is day 4, December 4th of my Advent Calendar series. So I have the Ipsy Advent Calendar, and I have the Space NK Beauty Calendar, and this is what the tray that we're in right now, the top tray from Ipsy. So we're gonna go right to number 4, and this is the package. Cute, cute. Let's see what's in there, because do I remember? I don't remember. Do y'all remember? Oh, it's the Anastasia satin lipstick. Show you the beautiful packaging. How pretty that is. And this is in the color Cherry. And I did open this calendar in full, but then I wanted to also open it daily. This is a gift to me from one of my wonderful subscribers, Betty Vick. And look at how beautiful the packaging is on Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've just recently gotten a lipstick or two from this brand, and they're wonderful. And oh my goodness, look at how pretty that is. That's gorgeous, and you can see it's a matte. Let's see if it says. I'm not going to swatch it right now because I have a few going right now. This is Rouge à Lèvres Satin. I don't know how to say it. I think it's in French, and so it's like it's a satin. It's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. It's gorgeous. And look at that beautiful, beautiful packaging. There's the Anastasia Beverly Hills emblem, and just stunning. Stunning, stunning. Stunning, stunning. So that is day 4 of Ipsy, and then let's get day 4 of the beauty. Okay, this it's a small one. It says Fall Drunken Love Again This Christmas. Okay. And the Space NK comes with a book to tell us what each thing is. Ooh. Oh, Drunk Elephant Jaw. This is Lala Retro Whipped Cream. 6 African oils and ceramides. Rescue and Recover. Rescue and Recover cream. Facial moisturizer. Of course, you know, Drunk Elephant is something that I've been introduced to recently, and I don't get a lot of it, so I'm excited about this. Oh my goodness, look at, I don't know if you can see that. It is whipped. It says it's whipped, and it is. So let's try some of it here. Look at that. Nice and creamy. Oh, wow. It doesn't really have a scent. Maybe a little bit, but I can't tell. It feels really good. I'm needing a moisturizer right now. I have a million moisturizers going. I mean, in this house. They're not going. I just finished up something, so I need to start something. That is nice. Now, this doesn't look like a full size. I don't really know. It is 30 mLs. 1 fluid ounce. So that's usually a deluxe sample size, but look at that is, I can see in that pit there that it goes down. This is a nice amount. So I'm excited about that. So that's what I have for you today. Oh, I almost forgot. I meant to do this earlier. So if you're playing the Christmas treasure hunt, this is for that. This is Nativa Spa. This is Quinoa Firming Body Lotion with nourishing quinoa oil concentrate. And it's supposed to firm your skin. You know, I don't know. I think you'd probably have to use this every day for the rest of your life for it to do any good. I'm thinking like thighs, you know, your thighs or something. I don't know. It's for your body. It's not for your face. I hear it smells fantastic. I got a couple of these, so I'm giving y'all one. Or whoever wins, okay? So, I hope you are following. I did tell all about this in my Friday Night Gab, and I also probably told about it in my Mass Monday this morning. So, look for that. Look for those videos if you want to know more about the Christmas treasure hunt. And thank you for stopping by, and count your blessings, everybody. Bye-bye. There is day 4. And day 4 of the tray right there.